Today, my guys, I'm going to unbox my Ipsy box from the month of April. This used to be Boxy Premium. It has since been renamed. I am in such a rush today, you guys. I don't have time to look that up, but I will make sure that it shows up in the video. So in just a second, I'm going to unbox this, and then I'm going to kind of go through why I'm saying goodbye. So Friendos, if you are down for a positive video that deals with a negative experience, guys, just stay tuned. So Friendos, don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on right now on my channel. You need to be listening for that secret word. But first, let's get into this. So I got these little hip dot sponges that are made in China. They look fine and everything. I don't really use sponges that often, and I already have sponges that I like a lot. My sister says she wants them, so they will be a gift in her time of grievance. I am sorry for your loss. Okay, the next item is one that I'm actually somewhat excited for. I do already have a lot of retinols in my collection, but we have the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts Retinol plus Vitamin C Moisturizer. I know these are very expensive. I actually had the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Fighter. It was something to do with fighting wrinkles, and that product just did not work at all. I used it for around 6 months and I just did not see a difference. So I'm hoping that this right here will actually be good and work as described, and says I should use this in the PM only, used once daily, apply a thin even layer to face and neck, reduce the frequency of use if sensitivity occurs. While using this product, also use a sunscreen daily. This doesn't actually say what it does, but most of us know what a retinol is capable of and what vitamin C is for. It's a brightening effect. Okay, another good product. This is the Obluce Rosy Drops Fortifying Blush. What is this? Okay, my sister just told me that I can use this as blush or I could use it all over my face, but she does not recommend that I do that. So this seems like something that you'd want to use with a skin tint. This is very light, and I'm not so certain this will work for me. I don't do skin tints that often, and I just kind of want a little bit more pigmentation payoff. I might be passing this off to someone else. To be fair though, Drunk Elephant, it's a good brand. It's nice to see a product from them in this box, but unfortunately this product probably just is not going to work for me. Next up, we have, oh Lord, I meant to ask you, did we ever find out where Uncle Jeff went? Uncle Jeff? Because I think he could be living in one of these pores on my face that I can now see with this magnifying. What is this? This is the JLo Beauty That Fresh Take Eye Cream. So this looks very similar to Jacqueline's packaging. Okay, that's what the inside looks like. I'll just be honest with you. This is going to be real shady, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't trust JLo with her beauty products. I just don't. I've heard that she has said that she has had no cosmetic work done and that her good skin is due to her own anti-aging products. I just don't believe that. It doesn't matter what you're putting topically on your skin. In the end, gravity always wins. JLo is not super young. I just don't believe that her face is completely natural. So that makes me not trust her and her brand. All right, from Kit. All right, this is actually going to come in handy. I did a couple add-ons. This may have been one of the add-ons. Oh, interesting. This is made in China. Because of course it is. They actually have a price tag on this polywog. Guys, see that? It says $8. Was this on a shelf somewhere and they took it down? Next up, from Bare Minerals, we have their Warmth. My sister says this is a bronzer. We will try this out. You know what? We'll go ahead and try it out right now. So guys, today I only spent like 10 minutes doing my makeup, so please don't judge me. I know it does not look that good today. Okay, so it's in here. Give it a go. This is real warm. Like, this is like red looking. This looks like one of those products where they tell you you can use it as blush or as contour, and it's really just too orangey. My sister says that they sent this out to everyone, and it is not shade specific. I don't know why they thought that was a good idea. Okay, next up, we have from Makeup Forever, we have the Aqua Resist Graphic Pen 24-hour waterproof intense eyeliner. This is very small, you guys. So we'll give this a go on my channel on another day. I'm kind of pushed for time, so I don't want to try it out right now. I did have one of their eyeliners before. It was not this specific eyeliner, but it did not last long. I loved it, but it did not last long at all. I remember it being gone in like 2 weeks of use. Okay, from Il Makiage, we have the Icon High Volume Intense Curl Mascara. I already have mascara on, so I can't try that on today. I like the look of the wand. It's one of those really, I guess you could say, skinny. I'm just gonna go with I like the want. Okay, and then this exfoliate cleanser. I've used this before. I just think that it's okay. I feel like most of the products that I've tried from this brand, I've just thought they were okay. I do think that they are an overpriced brand. And then we have Belle and Argent Fine Print Liquid Eyeliner. Ooh, is this purple? Let's give this a swatch. No, it is black. I mean, no skipping or anything. It looks nice. I thought it was going to be purple, so I was kind of excited. Whoa, that dry down was like quick, y'all. Look at that. Insane. So that's probably a pretty good product. Where do you made? Okay, so that's made in China too, so that's not something I would repurchase. Okay, guys, and now why I'm canceling. So I feel the same way about this box as I felt about a lot of my BoxyCharm boxes in the past. And I still kept on with my subscription. And the main reason why was because of those really good sales. And I would tell you guys about them all the time. We would do hauls. Y'all, I have yet to capitalize on any of the sales on Ipsy. It's not that they don't have any good items on there. That's not the case. They do have a few things that I'll see here and there where I'll think, okay, maybe I would want that. And if the price was the price that it would be on BoxyCharm, which a lot of times that would be $5, $6, I probably would have picked it up. But on Ipsy, a lot of the items are at a discounted price, but they're not that bottom of the barrel price tag that you would see on BoxyCharm. Also, I'm not seeing as many items show up. The fun shopping experience of like hunting through different items, that's all gone for me. It's just not as fun of an experience to shop their sales. That was one of the contributing factors. Another thing that weighs on my mind is they send out a lot of stuff that is made in China. You guys know I'm really not about that. Human rights violations aside, a lot of these companies can afford to price out their products so low and get them into these boxes because they are manufactured in China. It makes everything super cheap to make, but usually the circumstances of making those products are very morally questionable, in my humble opinion. So yeah, I was really mulling it over. I've lost a lot of sleep over trying to figure out whether or not I should keep Ipsy or I should walk away. The main reason, though, why I've decided to take a break is not actually because of my own personal experience. Some of you have told me you're not having such a good time since BoxyCharm has become Ipsy. It's been on a downhill slide for a long time. It's getting to the point where it's inexcusable. So I don't have the product in front of me right now, but my sister ordered a box. Her box is 28, mine is 45. She was supposed to get this really cool LYS bronzer, and it came broken, it was sweaty, it looked nasty, honestly. It was just really disappointing because even if they were going to refund her or replace the item, she still is really excited to use that product right out of the box, especially now that they show you what you're getting before it ever comes here. So she is really excited to put that product to use right away. She couldn't do it. And this was a recurring problem, especially for people who are not getting one of the more expensive boxes. And to me, that's unacceptable. I feel like you should put the same amount of care into a box that's for someone who's paying for a $28 subscription as you are for someone who's paying a $50 subscription. Either way, they're both your customers. One person may not get as nice of items, but still the packing and everything should be the same. You should take the same level of customer care with the people who are buying a cheaper subscription as those who are buying a more expensive subscription, in my humble opinion. So my sister just told me that we technically have the same subscription, it's just that I have the Beauty Boost add-on. I've not been keeping up with this, y'all, and to be honest, all the different names, it's still a little much. I feel like that they should streamline this a little better, make it a little bit more easy to manage. And Friendos, today's secret word is Ipsy. Use it creatively, please, in the comment section down below. So if you are on the fence, if you are considering canceling your subscription, you might want to wait it out one more month. A lot of you have told me that they have an icon box that's an option next month, and it's going to be full of ABH products. So that's exciting. I didn't know about it. I just went ahead and canceled mine. I'm okay with that decision. I'm not going to restart it. But if ABH is one of your favorite brands, you may want to hold on to your subscription for one more month. Okay, so one thing that I wanted to show you guys was this blush. So this is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Stealth Glow Blush. This is the shade Ecstasy. It's a very baby doll pink. Y'all, if I was actually going to pursue makeup artistry, like as a full-time career, I'd want this in every color option. This just wears so beautifully on the skin, and I feel like it would look so good on every single skin type. I went a little overboard, but that's okay. I wanted to look kind of baby dollish. I do love this blush. This one is pricey, but I mean, from Sephora standards, for it to be Armani, I feel like it's not that bad of a price. I believe this is $39. Is that right, Polywonk? Okay, it was either $39 or $38, but there's definitely more expensive blushes up on Sephora. And Friendos, I'm going to finish off my look today with some Bon Bon Banane from Urban Outfitters. You guys like Bananas Foster? This one smells exactly like Bananas Foster. It does not last very long on the skin at all. So this is one that it's small for a reason. I think they want you to store this in your purse and take it with you. I would not have paid full price for this, honestly, just because it does not wear for very long. And I'm going to go over that with Rio Radiance. I'm really liking this one, you guys. It is so fresh, so summery, and we will have a summer perfumes video coming out very soon. A lot of you have requested a perfume video. All right, Friendos, I'm going to jump off here so I can get as far away from my sister as I possibly can, as she has gone crazy and has started to bite people. So Friendos, if you enjoyed hearing me complain about all these products today, explaining why I decided to get rid of Ipsy, at least for the next 6 months, well then Friendos, please don't hesitate, give this video a big like. I hope that you will subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, both have to live in sorrow never knowing what could have been. Alright guys, have a fabulous day. Bye. No, don't bite me, don't bite me.